What to eat in Bodrum from breakfast to dinner. In this video, we're answering one of the most delicious questions. What should you eat in Bodrum from breakfast to dinner? We've put together a list of budget-friendly spots that offer something for every taste, all without breaking the bank. First stop, Bodrum Municipality Café. This cafe is especially popular with locals thanks to its affordable menu, but it's also a great option for tourists. Located in the heart of Bodrum, just a short walk from the main bus station, Garage. It offers a peaceful garden setting surrounded by greenery. The menu ranges from light bites to fast food, and their breakfast options are also worth checking out. With its self-service model and commitment to quality service, it's a relaxing spot to start your day. 2. Leman Kültür, Kumbache. Another great breakfast option is Leman Kültür, located in Kumbache. This cafe is an extension of Turkey's iconic humour and cartoon magazine, offering a large and affordable menu in the heart of the city. While enjoying your breakfast, you can people watch from the street-side tables or sit by the sea with a stunning view of Bodrum Castle. If you're up for it, you can even take a dip in the sea right after your meal. Leman Kültür is also a solid choice for lunch and dinner. 3. Nazik Anna, local home-style cuisine. If you're a fan of traditional Turkish home-cooked meals, Nazik Anna is a must-try. With a warm and cozy atmosphere, this place offers a wide variety of dishes. From hearty stews and soups to homemade desserts. Just like its name, which means kind mother. The friendly staff, free small treats, and welcoming service will turn your lunch into a memorable experience. Great prices, generous portions, and an authentic local vibe. What more could you ask for? 4. Ali Doksan, a local favourite. Another favourite among Bodrum locals for home-style cooking is Ali Doksan. This charming little restaurant, which even gives its name to the street it's on, is located in the town centre. Here you can try a variety of unique Aegean dishes. While slightly more expensive than other options on the list, the rich flavours make it absolutely worth it. 5. Köşem Pub, Bodrum Çarşı, located in the lively Bodrum Bazaar area. Köşem Pub draws you in with its central location, pleasant music, and relaxed vibe. They serve fast food, main dishes, and a daily lunch menu with home-style meals. It's the perfect spot for an affordable yet enjoyable lunch in the centre of town. We love coming here, ordering a beer with fries, and watching the hustle and bustle of Bodrum's busy streets. Köşem Pub might just become a part of your Bodrum routine too. 6. Baban, Yeri and Chakarali, Bodrum Garage. If you love lahmacun or Adana kebab, or if you've never tried them, Baban and Yeri, located near Bodrum Garage, is calling your name. This no-frills local spot surprises visitors with its bold flavours, relaxed atmosphere, and meat-heavy Turkish menu. It's an ideal first stop if you've just arrived in Bodrum and need a filling bite. Right next door, Chakarali is another spot worth visiting, known for its delicious doner and meatballs. Its spacious seating area helps you escape the bus station bustle and offers a more laid-back dining experience. To explore local flavours, trying both places is highly recommended. 7. Arka Ristorante and Pizzeria. Dinner by the sea for dinner. Arka Ristorante and Pizzeria is a top choice with its Italian cuisine and unbeatable location. From delicious starters and a wide selection of pizzas to hearty pastas, this restaurant offers everything you'd expect from a true Italian spot. And the best part? The tables by the sea give you a spectacular view of Bodrum Castle as you enjoy your meal. They also have a branch in Yalikavak. Keep in mind though, Arka doesn't take reservations. Guests are seated in order of arrival. So, if you want to experience Arka's flavours, try to get there early. 8. Zunga Pizza, a Bodrum classic. If you prefer a place that does take reservations, Zunga Pizza is a fantastic alternative. Located across from Milta Bodrum Marina, Zunga Pizza has been serving locals and tourists alike for over 20 years. Owned by a former sponge diver, hence the name. It's a true family-run business, known for its warm, welcoming atmosphere. While it's famous for its pizzas, don't overlook the seafood and meat options. The fish soup and kebab are especially worth a try. But our personal favourite is their kadayıflı muhallebi, a creamy dessert layered with crispy shredded pastry. Don't leave without trying it.